Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor here at Wyzant, answering a question submitted by a student. This has to do with implicit differentiation. And they're using this notation, which is not my favorite, but we'll stick with it. They want the second derivative. So let me just write this out. 5x cubed plus 3y cubed equals 3. Now we're going to differentiate this with respect to x. So when you differentiate this, it's just the power rule. So it's going to be 15x squared. And when you differentiate this, it's going to be chain rule. So we start with power rule, which will give us 9y squared. But then we have to put y prime here because y is a function of x. So that's chain rule. And then this is going to give us 0. So now we want to rewrite this in terms of and isolate the y prime. So I'm going to get 9y squared, y prime is equal to negative 15x squared. I'll divide by 9y squared now. Y prime is going to be equal to negative 15x squared over 9y squared. Okay, so now we take the derivative again. So y double prime, which is what we want. Well, this is going to be denominator. This is the quotient rule. The denominator times the derivative of the numerator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator squared. And so it's going to be the denominator, 9y squared. It doesn't look like a 9. I'll make it 9. Denominator times the derivative of the numerator, which would be negative 30x, minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator. All over the denominator squared. And so at this stage, all we have to do now is replace y prime with the expression for y prime here. So 9y squared. Oh, let's clean this up a little bit. So it's 30 times 9. Let's do that. That's 270. So it's a negative 270x plus, let's see, 15 times 18 is 270 x squared y times y prime, which we know is negative 15x squared over 9y squared, all over this denominator. Now, you might want to try to clean this up a little bit. Certainly, you could clean up this second term here because the y squares will, so we'll take it one more step. Negative 270x plus, let's see, 270 over 9 is 30 times 15. It's going to give me negative 450. Negative 450 x to the fourth over y. If I did that math correct, this just arithmetic, 270 divided by 9, and then 9 is 30. 30 times 450. 30 times 15, sorry, is 450. Okay, and then you can see this y cancels out one of those y's down here. And x squared times x squared is x to the fourth. And then this would be over 81 y to the fourth, and then this would be times 81 y to the fourth. And all of this is algebra. I mean, the calculus is over. And then you just clean this up a little bit more. 270 over 81. Is it 10 over 3? $450 over 81. $50 over 9. X to the fourth, y to the fifth. I think that's enough. You could establish a common denominator at this point and then move on to the algebra. It just depends on, it's a matter of taste. Sometimes the teacher will let you stop after you've substituted in the y prime. And it's just a matter of what the teacher wants here, how far the simplification is needed. But I think you can see the calculus, and that's the most important thing here. Okay, so that's it for this problem. I'll see you again next time. I hope that helped. Bye-bye.